Ben Mullins here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm standing in front of this 2022 Harris 250 Sunliner Sport. This boat is equipped with tune guard. It also has a motor guide trolling motor added to it. That is an after add-on here. Nice trolling motor. Climb aboard. You can see it's the moonlight gray interior with the single lounger dual helm configuration and the nice sport tower on the package here. Has the upgraded pillow top furniture. This boat is equipped with the 3.5 performance package to give it the 27-inch diameter tunes. Nice co-captain seat with a flip-up bolster. Captain's seat also has the flip-up bolster. Has the upgraded Simrad screen, JL audio, digital shift. This boat has a 300 horsepower pushing it across the water, and it has 62 hours on the motor. Nice American Pride here, flying on the back, Old Glory. You can see it does have the built-in trickle charger, transom stereo remote for the radio there. Great boat for coving out or doing some water sports behind this 300 horsepower. For more information, you can call me at 573-606-3022. Look forward to getting you out on the water.